inaumiza kupenda mtu asiyekupenda, asiyekudhamini, wamuweka rohoni.
What's up, my good people? Good morning, good afternoon from where you are watching us from. This is Mr. Tendo Wema from Wings Studios. Today we are here to talk about a lot of things. Before we continue, ladies, songa karibu ni wape form. Kuja ni wape form. It's almost Valentine's. When it's almost Valentine's, you need to do your skin care. You need to do all that belongs to you so that you can look beautiful. What are you supposed to do? Virginia's Beauty Parlour. It's here in Nakuru, in Kopale, inakungoja ukuje pale upiwe usafi wako. What do they do? Wanafanya nini? They do, kusome, facial, manicure, pedicure, and a lot of services. They do makeups, they do hair styling, and many more other things. So what are you supposed to do as our potential customer? Fika pale. Actually, even the home services, we do them. What you're supposed to do is to rush there, upate Virginia akufanyie mambo mazuri kabisa katika your skin, katika your hair, makeups, kuna kitu kingine wanaita unataka nini? Haya, kuja ufanyiwe massage pia pale, mambo ikuwe super kabisa ili uweze kuendelea. Namba iko hapo kwa screen. It's wacha nikusomea. It's 0791217917 07912179. So tunasemaje? Virginia's Beauty Parlour, where your style meets affordability. Karibu ufanyiwe mambo. Fika pale, mwambie Mr. Tendo Wema amekutuma na akufanyie mambo yako vizuri sana. Actually, there is Mr. Tendo Wema special, anakufanyia kabisa mambo mazuri kabisa kwa bei ya chini. Fika pale na mambo ikuwe super. Ufurahie, tufurahie, tujengane. Kwenye mmeona hapo kwa title, already you know what we are going to talk about. But before that, guys, please, if you are watching this video, just like this video. Just give us only 2,000 likes. Share to your friends, watu wako nyumbani, wale wenye wametoka kazi, wape hiyo video ili waweze kuwatch this morning or this afternoon or this evening. Ina depend na venye wana watch, what is the time. Yeah, please guys, I beg you in the name of God, please just subscribe to this YouTube channel. We are on our road to 3,000 subscribers. Let me just use that because we are 1,000 and something subscribers. Please, let's go to 3,000 subscribers. Mbona huja subscribe? You are watching and yet you are not subscribing. Please subscribe to this channel kindly. So guys, I have an interesting thing today we want to talk about. What's happening in the SDA fraternity? What's happening? Nini kinaendelea? Nini kinaendelea? What's happening with our producers? What's happening with our composers, actually? Let's talk about composers. The composers are bringing back-to-back things. And where? Zinavunja moyo. Like, it shows like our our composers have been heartbroken so much. Nimekuwa nikisikiza nyimbo fulani hapa, and it has come to a point that our composers are really heartbroken. Our pastors, please. Wahubiri, kindly just look up to these composers. Pastors, naomba tumuangalie hawa composers because things are getting out of hand. If we can't just look at them, talk to them, give them moral support and everything, please, these guys are running mad, are running crazy, man. I want you to listen to this one.
Inaumiza kupenda mtu asiyekupenda, asiyekudhamini, wamuweka rohoni. Ufanye vyote haridhiki, haoni ashukuru. Kwake mambo yaonekana kuwa kawaida, arudisha pendo lako kwa kutokujali.
Yeah, that's Sanctuary Ministers. Sanctuary imeleta kitu moto sana. Lakini sasa sikiza, what was the meaning of this song? And ni nini kilikuwa kwa mind ya the composer to write this song? Just listen. Just think with me. Reason up with me. Ni nini kilikuwa kwa mind ya composer kuandika hiyo song? I've been thinking about this song all through. Like, inaumiza sana kupenda asiye kupenda. Really? Really? Man? Please, our pastors, those pastors who have done this course is called what? Guidance and counseling. Mapasta wetu, please, just talk to these guys. Please come to these events zenye wanakuja. Bring that one ceremony yenye inaguza wale producers. Yeah. Why is producers in my head today? Composers, please. Composers are running crazy, man. If we can't talk to them, they are running crazy mad. Yani wanatokwa na wazimu kabisa. What do you think? Just comment hapo chini. Wewe unaona aje tufanye namna gani na hii mambo? Because like this guy mwenye anaandika wimbo inaumiza sana kupenda asiye kupenda, and it's almost the Valentine's Day. What was the essence of the song? Ni nini kilikuwa kwa mind yake? Who is this mwenye alifanyia huyu composer hivi? Who is this girl? Who ni nani? I want to know you. Who is this? Who are you mwenye wanafanyia composer wetu namna hiyo? It's not breaking, man. Kama hujaangalia song, just rush there. Uangalie venye inaumiza sana. Inaumiza kupenda asiye kupenda. Enyewe lakini it's true. It's very true. When you love someone who doesn't love you back. Uliza Pastor Nyang'ande Junior atakuambia how it goes. Now, let's move out of that choir. There is this other choir inaitwa Heavenly Echoes. Heavenly Echoes imeleta kitu ingine mbaya sana. Mbaya zaidi. Usaliti. Watu wamesalitiwa. Mtu ambaye unaamini mtu ambaye unaamini anakusaliti, lakini ulikuwa unamwamini sana. Ulikuwa umeweka imani yako kwake. Guys, what was the essence of usaliti? Who is there from Heavenly Echoes? Kama uko hapo kwa comment section, please just write the essence of this song. Na mwenye aliandika hii song nataka kumjua.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I want to know the person who wrote this. It's very touching. This song is very touching. Actually, kama mimi imeniguza sana. Usaliti ni kitu mbaya. Usaliti imeniguza, imenitouch. Mbaya zaidi. Sasa, guys, usaliti and inaumiza. Those songs are the songs of the year, are the songs of the month, are the songs of the session, are the songs of the quarter. Yani hizo ndaeza they play all through, yani kila wakati. As Wing Studios, what do we say? Just listen to this song of Usaliti.
Sikujua maumivu ya usaliti, mpaka niliposalitiwa nayo, na niliyamwamini sana, nikampa nafasi ya karibu kwangu, akaniumia visigino, akanigeuka kama nyoka kunidhuru. Maumivu ya usaliti ni makali, yanachoma moyo na roho ile imara haipopotiki. Mwanadamu anaweza badilika, lakini Mungu hawezi badilika.
That is it. You get it? Get it. Our composers, please. Kama kitu kinakuumiza, just come out and speak. Najua most of the composers watu wenu wamewad break, lakini kindly we beg you guys, these bangers you are bringing, we are coming for you. We are coming for you. Coming for you, man. These bangers are so hit. They hit at the point of need. Hey, composers. Anyway, just please kama umewacha hii video, please na nimekuguza pale, umesikia nyimbo za composers wetu zenye zinaumiza roho, zenye zina usaliti, zimekuguza, please just give us a like, give us a subscription and comment down there. Usema aje, what shall we do to help our composers? Things are getting out of hand. If we can't control the situation, Mr. Tenda Wema here, kama kawaida. Guys, until next time, I'm bringing you another thing that is very, very, very hot. What do you think about that? Just comment down there. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, we're gonna meet Mr. Tenda Wema. Yes, I owe you.